I got a little unboxing to do tonight, but it's gonna have to wait for a second. Oh, it's gonna have to wait for me to take a straw out, put it in this amazing cup of Sprite goodness, and eat some food. So yeah, as you can see in the thumbnail, there is an unboxing to do thanks to the wonderful Jen Vargas of Central Florida Top 5. But it is now 1 o'clock in the morning. The cat is wide awake. I am all alone in the truck except for animals for the night. I got the cat up there, 2 Chihuahua dogs, food, which don't go good with dogs, and an unboxing to do. 1 o'clock in the morning. It is awful late to be ordering food, but I have not eaten all day. My co-pilot at the moment is dealing with some stuff that she has to deal with. And I figured, let her go deal with that stuff. I'll watch the dogs and I'll eat behind everybody's back. So it is a Denny's night for me. Now, I'm not a big fan of Denny's, but these breakfast hamburgers with the egg, the hash browns, the bacon, it's just so good. That's the one thing that I could just really devour at a Denny's. It's probably the only thing. What are you doing, cat? You know I got an unboxing to do. Okay. What's your plan? You're not getting in with the headset. I know what you're thinking. All right, so it is, like I said, 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe even a little bit later. It took me a little bit to eat. It's 1:25 a.m. I'm never up shooting videos this late, but tonight is a different type of night because I have not been alone in quite a while. And tonight I have to occupy myself. And it's pretty easy to do with all the pets, but it also is very easy to do when you got stuff to unbox. So Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 drove over here to the side streets of Orlando where I am parked, and I seen a car pull up in front of me. Lights turn on, and I think to myself, oh my gosh, something amazing. It's about to happen. And it did. Do that wear or are thinking about putting a VR headset on your noggin. A lot of ways they cut cost is terrible head straps, the things that goes around your noggin here. Let me whip this out. Excuse me while I whip this out and show you guys what I'm talking about. So this here is a $399 Oculus Quest 2. They have a $299 one. Just has a little bit less storage than this thing has. But still, for the price, you're getting a lot of machine in one of these little units. One of the things they skimp on, though, to keep the price so low and not make this cost $1,000 is in here, when you first buy it, it's a foam pad, which is comfortable for, you know, short gameplay, but you're going to want to upgrade a little bit to one of these little $5 silicone smishy, easy to clean wipes. So especially if you're going to be handing this to other people, so that's one of the first things you're going to want to invest in. Another thing is these straps. Back the original Oculus had a much different strap than this one. This one here is, though it's comfortable and you can use it, you can wear it. I've been using this for 5 months now maybe, and it's done its job. But I find it's time to change a little bit. It's this amazing product, and it is from Oculus, so it is an official Oculus head strap, but it's a hard head strap with a little knob like a hard hat that you could turn and fit your head just perfectly, take all that weight off the front of your face. It's something that I've been wanting for a long time, but I'm not used to buying things for myself. Since I'm getting ready to unbox, I need a sip. And the cat is deciding she wants to take the place of the Oculus head strap on my lap, and she would rather sit here. What? Yeah, I can't have you sitting here just yet. Go down there with the dogs. This is brand new, never been opened, which means there is tape probably all over the place. And I don't do good with tape, so I end up ripping things. Since I'm not probably going to use this box again, it's okay to rip. This thing's going in the garbage. Luckily, right outside on the road here, Orlando does put garbage cans. Is there more tape? Oh God, there probably is, but you know what? Heck with it. Don't need all this. Don't need all this. Let's just break it open. There we go. Didn't need all this, though. The instructions to install it were probably on the back. I probably royally screwed that up. Yay. You can play with that dog. Looks very much just like when you first get the headset, the same box, same boxing. Yeah, it is. It's the same boxing. Will you guys look at that before me even? Look at that. Oh, it's not as much to look at as I actually thought. Thing is, even though the instructions were probably on the back of that box that I just tore up, they also have some right inside there, so that's a bonus. So I think we can just take this whole thing out, and we can with the instructions. It looks like there is a little instruction. That is an awful lot. That's an awful big booklet in there just for installing a quick little head strap. Nothing else in the box, it looks like. Nothing else in the box. So you get the head strap, some instructions, and yeah, it looks like it's probably going to be fairly easy to connect, even for someone like me. It says, please follow the quick start guide. Hopefully that is this, because if it is on that box, that's as far as the instructions here go. Just follow the quick start guide. Looks pretty self-explanatory though. Looks like it does have a strap that goes over the top of your head, which is the same type of stuff that I'm trying to avoid, which it comes with. But also it has a nice little cushiony thing here that goes on the back of your noggin. And then this here would connect to the headset, and it's a little bit more stiff and rigid than the little flappy things that it comes with. Let's see if I can get it connected. Okay, I got one off. I didn't want to record it in case I broke my headset, but I've seen YouTubers do this before. Thank God for YouTube. You learn so much. So if you are doing this, you just grab your strap here on the sidearm. You just kind of twist a little bit, and they just pop right off. And obviously, you're gonna have to take all this stuff off that you purchased, and take this thing out, which is not easy. Oh, and I did have the eyeglass thing in there, and it just fell on the floor. No damage. Now, I don't know if there's a proper way. I'm assuming this strap goes over the top of your head, so I'm assuming that's up, and it goes on this way. I'm assuming. So let me snap this on here. Let's get this all set up. Hopefully it just, oh, it does. It snaps there. It is clicking. It's clicking in place. And let's do the other side. And that's it. That is it. Sturdy, strong, and I'm assuming before I put that other head strap on, or the eyepieces, these eyepieces here, I should probably go ahead and put this strap on because there is a loop there. So let me get that on and I'll show you what it looks like. I got it on. While I got my eye things off though, I should clean my lenses a little bit. Make sure they look good. I was playing Arizona Sunshine with Steph stuck in a truck the other day. And I realized, you know what? I have not been cleaning my lenses that good. Always use a microfiber cloth. A cloth. Okay, let's go ahead and hook all this stuff back up and make sure I can do it right. I'm not great at puzzles, and that's what putting this thing back together is like. It's like a puzzle. Just a fairly simple puzzle though, because everything just snaps. Oh. So this is, I don't know who I'm making this video for. I'm assuming it's newbies like me. And you gonna go in there? Is this gonna work? It did. There we go. We got it working. Look at that. And not too shabby. Looks good. Nice firm all the way around. What's great about this one is it fits anybody's head, because this thing here has a little knob back here you could twist. It goes out, it extends out pretty far. You have to have a pretty big head for that. And then you could ratchet it back up to fit your head. Should fit nice and snug. Most importantly, this is what I want to see. Okay, so I carry my Oculus around in an Oculus case. A Facebook approved case. Heck yeah. So I'm really curious if this will fit in the case. Let's extend it out a little bit. Oh my God. Fits like a snug bug in a rug. We can put the controllers in, make sure everything works and fits. Everything fits so nice. So even when you take these, this was what I was worried about. These things, you know that's going to fold up because it's cloth. I was worried about this hard plastic. And it looks like it fits, closes, and possibly, let's see here. Do I got something stuck? Oh, forgot my microfiber cloth. Let me put that back in. And happy camping sticker that's going to go on my computer. Let's put all that in there. Okay, let's see here. Oh my gosh, it did it perfect. So there you go. The Oculus Elite head strap fits perfect in the case. It was that fast and easy to install, and I think I'm really going to enjoy it. And I highly suggest, if you plan on playing this for any amount of time, some VR chat, some Arizona Sunshine, Population 1, and you're going to be in these games for a long period of time, along with your external battery, these head straps, I think they are a must. Anyway, until the next time, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the animals. My cat is snooping here behind the camera. I need to pay some attention to her before she destroys everything. And I'll see you later. Until then, peace out, everybody.